How's it going, everyone? Northeast Georgia EAS here. So today, as you can see in front of you, I have a Radio Shack 12-382 weather alert radio. I've been wanting one of these radios for a long time now. Finally found one that is basically brand new. So let's go ahead and crack this open. Okay. So, first comes out is the owner's manual. It's a cardboard piece. There's the radio. There's the power jack. And the reason I am hurrying, because I have got to make it to work soon. So this is actually an original packaging that it came from. So actually this is a brand new Radio Shack. I've not gotten one of these in a long time. Alright, here is the radio. Wow, this thing is beautiful. This is a 2008 version, so don't know how reliable this will be with its tuner, but we will find out soon enough. Let me put you guys on my tripod here while I put in a battery. This radio requires 1 9-volt. Alright. 9-volts, looked up on some batteries yesterday. Because it's time, I was running low. And got me some fresh 9-volts. So excited for this. Right. Here's the radio. Off your little cover here. I'll lay the cover down. Right, so let me do this real quick, because this is going to take a hot second. Alright. What the heck? There we go. Alright, searching for channel. Strong's channel. Weather channel 5. All the tuner is good. Oh my good God Almighty, I am so excited now.
Storm activity is possible between information.
Oh my goodness gracious. Okay.
The official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Northeast Georgia mountains.
I've never been so excited
Today,
for a radio.
Patchy fog early.
Oh, this is great. Alright, let's set the current time. The current time is... Good question. What is the current time is 12:46. Oops. 12:40. So it's about to change to 47. So we will go ahead and 47. Alright, let's go to menu, select channel, already did that. Oh, son of a biscuit eater. Alert mode. We want that on voice. Okay. Alert reminder, signal reminder. Since KXI22 loves going off the air. Location, all. Set alerts, we'll do that later. Set language, backlights. Auto on, off. I guess we'll do auto. It's fine. And back to select channel. Okay, shit, I redid that. Oh, let it research. Search the scanner. It scans blah, 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 channel.
High mid-60s. Sunday and Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s.
This sounds great. Sounds exactly like the 521 and the 261. Beautiful. Oh God, this radio is so beautiful. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to set it up real quick. Alright, here we are with the 261. It's almost basically identical, just different in color. Oh my goodness gracious.
Wind west at 5. At Cartersville with haze. 6. Wind west at 9. At Atlanta, it was mostly...
It's picking up some weird static, or not static, I don't know what you would call it, but yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. This was the unboxing and setup of the Radio Shack 12-382. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I sure did. This is one of the coolest unboxings I've ever done in a long time. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed.